Namaste, good evening to you all.
Good evening.
Firstly, I would like to welcome all of you all to the RK Steppers Academy. Now I would like to introduce myself. I am Megha Kumari, daughter of Mr. Ramesh Vedya and Ms. Sneha Devi. I like sketching just like banana, want to become a doctor in my future. I am student of class 9th A and as today I am here to share my own point of views on the lines that are रही मन धागा प्रेम का मत तोड़ो चटकाए टूटे पे फिर ना जुड़े जुड़े गांठ पर जाए रही मन जुड़े गांठ पर जाए. So as from the lines we can understand that the topic and the lines are saying that if a relation or a relationship has been broken, then it can't be the same again. So if you are breaking someone's trust and if you are thinking that by saying sorry and by apologizing them, I can be the relation can be same again, then it is impossible because you have already tied a knot and also this knot will be always forever. And also I want to tell you all that if you are thinking that if I have done any mistake and by saying sorry I can be the same again, then definitely it is impossible. If you are having a pen and if you are trying if you will break it and if you will try that I will stick it again, then definitely you will be able to stick it again, but it can never be the same as like it was in the first time. So if whatever you are doing and if you are trying to break someone's trust, then believe me that you will never be able to become like the first one again. You will never be able to create a similar trust which was in the first time again. So whatever you are doing, firstly think that and also firstly remember that the love and the care and the respect which you are getting from the first person, and if you are breaking it again and again, then that person will also think that I will not be able to be the same, and also that person will never think about you, and also that person will be never be able to be the same again. So whatever you are thinking, just think before one time and just think that definitely I will not be able to be the same, and also the first person will not be able to be the same as like it was in the first time. So that was all for today. Thank you.